Okay, so another update. This is the internal metal frame made out of cardboard. I have now taken to getting cardboard laser cut and just folding it and sticking it together with tape, because the 3D printer, well, it's not quite accurate enough. End up all the holes are slightly too small, and I really want to know, you know, have I got the measurements right and all that. And the other problem is that the support material, if I'm using the bigger nozzle, I'm using 0.8mm nozzle in the 3D printer, it's just too hard to remove. And if I drop back down to a smaller nozzle, then the print time quadruples. So anyway, it's all working nicely, it fits. I've got the speakers in there, I've already tested them and they're working, and I'm proceeding with the design as well. Now, I do have one question. I'm hoping if there's someone watching this video who has experience with conductive paint. As I say, I prefer metal, but another option is to use plastic and coat it with conductive ink for the RF shielding. My concern's always been that paint might peel or flake off and then start shorting things out. So I'm just wondering, is that worry justified? Should I stick with the metal, or is that another option? Either way, let me know what you think of where things are. From here on, I'm working on the hinges. I've got the hinges attached to this top. I haven't got it physically, but I've got the design for attaching the hinges to the top frame, and now it's to attach it to the bottom inner case, and then it'll be on to the plastic outer shell. So I'll tell you more next time I've made some progress. See ya.